This is the next big thing. Don't make this mistake like me of sitting and not working on Amazon Influencer Program. Amazon Influencer Program is on fire. If you have a following on social media or you wanted to start your journey of making money from social media, but the platform seems too crowded, then this is the opportunity to seize. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and I've been on Amazon Associates since December 2013, more than a decade. From this program, I have made some mistakes but learned from it and managed to make quite a lot of money, and I can say that Amazon Influencer Program is the big opportunity on the horizon. So let's see how to capture it. Before we get started with eligibility and how much you can earn, I'll provide the official link in the description from where you can sign up for the program. First, let's talk about what Amazon Influencer Program is. Amazon started Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program. That is how I started. They provide a fixed percentage of commissions for every product sold through your link. Though the commissions has decreased over the years, but still helped a lot of people build considerable income stream, if not the main income. To get started with Amazon Associates, you have to have a website, and they have raised the quality bar over time. Now they have introduced Amazon Influencer Program, which is quite similar to Amazon Associates. However, you can sign it up from the social media account. It can be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And it has nothing to do with how many followers you have. People with even 13 followers have managed to get their accounts approved. Once you are in, you will get a storefront that you can customize with the products available on Amazon, and you can put that storefront link on your social media. So if someone visits those links and buys anything, you will get the commission, which is amazing. That was the first part of the program. The second part of the program that I'm about to tell is the thing you should be paying attention to. This part is the big opportunity I was telling you. When you go to any product page on Amazon, you will see these videos. If you click on it, you will see earn commissions. This is it. This is the thing. If a customer watches more than 30 seconds of the video and after that buys the product, this creator will get the commission, and it is working for creators. I'll tell you why it is working so well. The customer is already on Amazon with the intention to spend the money. He or she is already on the product page and your video pushed to make that purchase. He or she placed the order and bam. It is so good that anyone with smartphone can get started. People have managed to make $500 to $1,000 in the first 2 months. Some have even managed to make $100+ per day. The more reviews you post, the more commissions could be earned. And it doesn't require much effort. You can easily do it even if you just do it on Sundays for a few hours. That is why I don't want you to miss out before they raise the bar again. Approval is a two-step process. You sign up for the account, you get approved, then you have to post 3 videos of the products first. Make sure to only post 3, not more than that, with all these requirements in mind. You can take the screenshot of this. They will review your videos so that it doesn't violate the policies. When you post the video, it will instantly get published. This doesn't mean that you are eligible to earn the commission. The video will be in the review process. It takes about 48 hours for Amazon to review, but it can also take longer, so be patient with that. A lot of people quit at this stage because they don't know that you get 3 chances. So if that happens, go back to your video and see if you have violated any of the policies, and then try again. The videos that get approved are the ones demoing the product, showing the product in action. You don't want to sit around and talk about the product. You need to show the product function. If you do that, there is a better chance of your videos getting approved. And once all the 3 of your videos are approved, you are ready to make some money. You will know when this will unlock. Earn on-site commissions. After that, you can start posting the videos, keeping all the policies in mind. Now, if you ask me how much you can earn, then there is no limit. It depends on how many videos you post and how engaging they are. That's why I wanted you to get started as soon as possible. You can sign it up from the official link in the description below and get started. In my opinion, there is no harm in trying. Now, if you still have any doubts, then you can leave them down below in the comments. That's it for today. If you are searching for a way to claim tax on Amazon, then this video will definitely help. And if you are looking for the best cloud storage, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye.